Welcome back.
Hello, everyone.
It's so good to have you here today.
Yes, really good.
Take a breath, relax. You are safe here.
This is a quiet place, a calm place.
Welcome to the Confident English Podcast, a cozy space where learning English feels easy and confident.
Yes, easy and confident.
I am Sophie, and I am so happy you are here.
And I am Alex. Welcome, welcome.
So, Alex, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel a little quiet today.
Quiet. I like that word.
Yes, like a slow morning. Calm.
Oh, I love that. A slow morning. That is beautiful.
Yes, calm, warm, good.
I am happy you are here today, Alex. Really.
Me too, Sophie, me too.
And listeners, we are happy you are here too.
Very happy.
If you like this podcast, you can follow us. You can subscribe.
Yes, please. It really helps us so much.
It is very easy. Just one small click.
One click, that is all.
Today, we have a very special topic.
Oh yes, I love today's topic.
Today, we talk about speaking without overthinking.
Overthinking. That is a big word.
Yes, but the idea is very simple.
Very simple. Don't worry.
We will go slowly, together.
Step by step. Very calm.
Okay, so let's begin.
Let's begin.
First, let me ask you something, Alex.
Of course, yes.
Do you ever stop before you speak because you are afraid?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes, many people do.
Many people.
You want to say something, but then you stop.
You think too much. You wait. And then the moment is gone.
Yes, exactly. The moment is gone.
That feeling, I know it very well.
And it is okay. It happens to everyone.
Everyone, not just English learners.
Right. Even native speakers feel this.
Oh yes, native speakers too.
So first, let's understand. What is overthinking?
Overthinking is thinking too much.
Yes, too much before you speak.
You think, is my grammar correct?
Or, do I have the right word?
Or, what if I make a mistake?
Or, what if people laugh?
All these thoughts at the same time.
Yes, so many thoughts.
And they all come very fast.
Very fast and very loud.
Yes, very loud inside your head.
And then you say nothing.
You stay quiet, but not because you want to.
Because you are afraid.
Because you think too much.
Does this sound familiar?
I think yes. For many people, yes.
If you feel this, it is okay.
It is very normal.
You are not alone.
Not at all. Never alone.
So, the big question is, why does this happen?
Why do we overthink when we speak?
Yes, why?
I think we are afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes feel scary sometimes.
We think mistakes are bad.
We think people will judge us.
But is that true?
Most of the time, no, it is not true.
People are kind. Most people understand.
And most people, they also make mistakes.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Even your teacher makes mistakes.
Even me. I make mistakes every day.
Me too, every single day.
And it is okay.
It is more than okay.
Mistakes mean you are trying.
Yes, trying is good. Trying is brave.
Very brave.
So, let me give you a small example.
Oh yes, I love examples.
Imagine you are at a cafe.
Okay, a cafe. I can see it.
You want to order a coffee.
Simple, just a coffee.
But then you stop. You think, how do I say this?
What is the word? Is it correct?
And then the waiter looks at you and you feel nervous.
Oh, yes, that feeling. I know it.
And then you say nothing. Or you point.
Yes, you point at the menu.
We all do this, yes.
But what if you just said the words?
Even simple words.
Even not perfect words.
1 coffee, please.
Simple, short, clear.
The waiter understands. You get your coffee.
And the world does not end.
The world does not end, yes.
No one cares about the grammar.
No one. The waiter just wants to help you.
That is all.
That is all.
So simple, but it feels so big sometimes.
Yes, it feels big, but it is not big.
It is just fear, and fear can change.
Fear can change, yes. Slowly, with practice.
Let's talk about that, practice.
Yes. How do we practice speaking without overthinking?
I have an idea.
Tell me. I want to hear.
Speak first, think later.
Oh, say that again.
Speak first, think later.
I love that. Speak first, think later.
Yes, just open your mouth, say something.
Something small, something simple.
It does not have to be perfect.
It just has to be out.
Out of your mouth, into the world.
Yes, into the world.
Here's another example.
Yes, please.
You see a friend, a new friend. You want to say hello.
But you think, how do I start? What do I say?
And then you say nothing.
And the friend walks away.
But what if you just said, hi?
Just hi.
One word, that is all.
And maybe they say hi back.
And then you smile.
And then maybe you say one more word.
Nice day today.
Or, I like your bag.
Or, do you come here often?
Yes, simple, natural.
And the conversation begins.
Oh, I love that. All from one small word. Hi.
Just one word.
See? You do not need to think a lot. You just need to start.
You just need to start.
The starting is the hardest part.
Yes, the first word is the hardest.
After that, it gets easier.
It really does.
Trust me and trust yourself.
Yes, trust yourself.
You know more than you think.
Much more.
So let me ask you something, Alex.
Yes, of course.
Do you ever feel scared to speak?
Yes, oh yes, many times.
Tell me a little, if you want.
I remember I was in a new city, a new country.
Oh, that sounds big.
Yes, it was. And I needed to ask for directions.
Directions, like where is the street?
Yes, where is the bus stop?
And what happened?
I was so nervous, my heart was going fast.
Yes, I know that feeling.
And I thought, I will make a mistake. They will not understand me.
And did you ask?
Yes, I asked.
And?
The person was very kind. They smiled. They helped me.
Of course they did.
And my words were not perfect, but it was okay.
It was more than okay.
Yes, I found the bus. I got home.
You found the bus.
Yes, I found the bus. Yes.
That is a success.
Yes, a small success, but a real one.
Every small success counts.
Every single one.
And you know what? Every time you do it, it gets a little easier.
A little easier, yes.
Then a little more.
And then, one day, you don't even think about it.
You just speak.
You just speak. Natural. Free.
That is the goal.
Free speech. Easy speech.
Not perfect, just free.
Perfect is not the goal.
No, Perfect is not the goal.
Connection is the goal.
Yes, talking to people, understanding each other.
That is what language is for.
That is all it is for.
So let's talk about some small things you can do.
Yes, small things. Every day.
Small things are good. They are not scary.
Not scary at all.
The first thing is talk to yourself.
Yes, talk to yourself.
At home, in the morning,
When you make your coffee,
when you look in the mirror.
say simple things. Good morning. Today is Thursday.
I am tired. I want some tea.
Simple, easy, real.
No one is listening. No one judges you.
Just you and your voice.
And your voice is good.
Your voice is always good.
The second thing is listen a lot.
Yes, listen to English.
Podcasts, simple videos.
This podcast,
Yes, this podcast is perfect.
listen to how we speak,
How we pause, how we breathe.
how we say simple things,
And your brain, it starts to learn.
without you even trying too hard.
Just by listening.
Just by being here.
The third thing is speak a little every day.
Every day. Even for 1 minute.
1 minute is enough.
It is more than enough.
To a friend, to a family member.
Or to yourself. In English.
Even one sentence.
Today, I had soup for lunch.
I'm going to the shop later.
Simple, real, yours.
Every day, a little.
A little every day.
And slowly, speaking becomes easy.
Not all at once.
No, slowly.
Like learning to walk.
Yes, like walking. First 1 step,
Then 2 steps.
then 3.
And then one day, you just walk without thinking.
Speaking is the same.
Exactly the same.
You start, you fall a little, you get up,
And you keep going.
and you keep going.
That is the secret.
That is the only secret.
Keep going.
Sophie, can I say one more thing?
Of course, please.
I want to say it is okay to speak slowly.
Yes. Oh, yes.
You do not need to speak fast.
Fast is not better.
Slow and clear is much better.
Much, much better.
When you speak slowly, people understand you,
They hear every word.
and you feel calmer.
You think more clearly.
Less stress, less fear.
Slow is kind. Slow is good.
Slow is confident.
Yes, slow is confident.
People who speak slowly seem sure of themselves.
They do. It is true.
So, speak slowly and feel confident.
I love that. Speak slowly, feel confident.
Yes.
And mistakes. Let's talk about mistakes one more time.
Yes, this is important.
Mistakes are your friends.
They are.
Really, I mean it.
Every mistake teaches you something.
When you say the wrong word, you remember it.
You think, oh, that was not right.
And next time, you remember the right word.
That is how learning works.
That is how the brain works.
Mistakes are not failures.
No, never.
Mistakes are steps.
Steps forward.
Yes, always forward.
So next time you make a mistake, smile.
Smile, yes,
Say, okay, good. I learned something.
and move on.
Just move on.
Easy.
Easy to say, but you can do it.
Yes, you can.
Let me tell you something, listeners.
Yes, listen to this.
You are already doing something brave.
Yes, right now, in this moment.
You are listening to English. That takes courage.
It does, real courage.
You chose to learn. That is not small.
That is very big.
So be proud of yourself.
Right now, be proud.
You are doing well,
You really are.
even if you don't feel it.
Even if today was hard.
You are here. You are trying.
And that is everything.
That is truly everything.
Okay, let's do a small recap. Very simple.
Yes, simple. Today, we talked about speaking without overthinking.
Overthinking is when you think too much before you speak.
And it stops you. It makes you quiet.
But quiet is not always what you want.
So we said, speak first, think later.
Start with one word, one small sentence.
Mistakes are okay. They're steps forward.
Speak slowly. Slow is good.
Talk to yourself every day.
Listen to English every day.
And speak a little every single day.
Small steps every day.
That is all you need.
That is really all you need.
Sophie, thank you for today.
Oh, thank you, Sophie. Always a pleasure.
And thank you, listeners.
Really, thank you so much.
You make this podcast so special.
You really do.
If you liked today's episode,
Please leave a comment. We love reading them.
tell us, do you overthink when you speak?
We would love to know.
And if you want to help us,
Please like this episode. It helps so much.
and subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
We're here every week,
Slowly, calmly, together.
just like today.
Smile. Take care of yourself.
Take care and be kind to yourself.
You are doing so well.
So well.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.